Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're okay. I want to play a game named country game. So we start. We pick, then she will name or I will name the name. Yeah. So if she pick, she name the country, right? Yeah. So we start now. Pick. Come closer. Don't skip camera. Huh? What? M.
This is W.
This is W. Not M. Okay, W. 1, 2.
Wales.
Okay, right. I'll pick my own.
E.
10,
9.
Egypt. Hey! Woo, 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 guys.
Okay.
Don't look. Check. Do you look?
L.
L.
Liberia.
All right. Let me look.
U.
Ukraine.
Yeah.
Take. Close your eyes.
Hey, M. Malaysia.
All right.
Woo! I'm
looking.
Okay.
N. It's easy.
What?
Namibia, Nigeria. What are you doing?
Okay. Tanzania. Tanzania. Oh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's what?
I don't know.
So how you beat me? Put it back. Yeah, put it back.
Omani or something, but I don't know.
Yeah, Oman.
Yeah, done. Is it me?
Yes.
Romance. Rome. Italy is Rome. All right. Russia.
She's thinking pizza. That Zimbabwe. Baby, you are stuck. Oh, you're looking.
Okay, you can. India. India.
Is it I? It's not H.
It's I.
Let me find H here.
Okay, Holland. H, if it's H. Holland! Fine, it's okay.
Oh, I is this one.
Okay, it's Holland.
Guys, there is no country to start with Y.
It's there. Yugoslavia. I'm gonna hit you for that. 1, 2, 3. Xing Shang. China. Xinjiang. See, China. What
are you talking about? Which language you are taking? England.
It's this one. It's 10, 9, 8, 7.
Serbia.
Okay, sharp.
1, 2, 3.
Shine.
four.
Baby. 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 Okay, sharp. Hi. Oh.
L.
L.
India.
L. I.
India.
Okay. Sharp. D. Denmark.
Poland.
Poland, yeah. Okay, it's me. Venezuela. 8, 10, 9, 8.
Baby, wait.
7.
America.
America is not a country.
But
It's United States. Baby, United States of America.
Romania.
Oh my God, did you say Algeria?
But
There
guys,
is no United States of America. There is no United States of Albania. 1, 2, 3. Hey, there is no United States of Albania. Okay. Kenya. Here. Hey.
Finland.
Botswana B. Botswana B. Thank you.
Japani.
Okay, sharp. G. Ghana. Hey, Ghana. Q.
Kyungwende.
What?
But there's no country.
Hi.
Qatar.
Quite. But.
Bye guys. Thank you for
watching.
subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.